So you're already looking at these, so you want to know what you're going to get if you do place that order. Let me just open it up here so you know exactly what you're going to get if you order what you are looking at. And it has a carry bag, you can stick them in after the fact and put them in your trunk or whatever. Gloves, if you want to help keep your hands clean in the process. And then of course the cables themselves. Oh, it even comes with a wire brush to help clean your terminals up if you need to do that. So that's handy. Now the one thing I look for in booster cables is the flexibility. If they're really stiff, that means they probably don't have good wire in them. But if they're nice and flexible, it could be stranded wire, makes it so much easier to use them. And so that's one of the main things I want to check, and then how good the clamps are. So I'm going to pull these out of here and just kind of see what we think about them. So right off the bat, they do feel pretty flexible, so I like that. And you do have a little indicator here. So if you hook it up to the battery, I think it'll read. Now, what I'm going to do is, I don't have a vehicle I need to boost right now, but I am going to hook it up to this battery and see if we get a reading on this. All right, just make sure you hook it up to the right side, the correct post on your battery. Pause it. Oh, and by the way, these clamps feel really good. They don't feel cheap. The hinge feels pretty good on them, nice and tight. So you want a good set of cables, not a cheap set. They're no good if you keep them with you and then they don't work. All right, so you can see this battery is actually at 12.6 volt, which is good. It's green, so I do like the fact that that has this on the cable as well. You know right away when you go and hook up to your other vehicle that needs to be boosted, you're dealing with a fully charged, good battery in the car that's providing the power. So that's a nice little feature you don't see on many of these booster cables, jumper cables. Nice and long as well. These things are pretty long, so not sure how long they are, but they definitely got some length to them. So you're going to be able to, you don't have to be right up on top of the other car to be able to reach them. Let's pull these over here. That's probably a question that some of you might have, so let's just see here. So even as far away as this car is here, I could reach it. So even if we had to boost this car, we easily could reach. So these are nice long cables, probably one of the longest sets I've seen. So these are nice long cables, so I'm definitely thrilled with that. So there you go. I do like this feature that it has here, so that's really handy to really, so you know right off the bat you got a good battery. Now this company was nice enough to send these out to me so I could do this review and show you a little bit about them. And I want to thank them for that, because these, you know, these are really handy. You really should have a set of these in your vehicle, especially if you're going on a trip or something like that. So I want to thank these guys for sending these out to me. And they do feel like a pretty good quality cable. The cable feels really good, nice and rugged. The clamps feel good. So I think these would be a nice addition to your vehicle, just in case your battery goes dead and somebody's willing to help you out that doesn't have cables, or you park next to somebody or near somebody having battery trouble, you might be able to help them out. So I want to thank these guys one more time for sending them out. I really appreciate it. But if you're looking at these and you're curious what you're going to get, now you know. I hope this video helps you out. But if you click that order button, this is what's going to show up. So there you go.